Shoot, you know, I always forget how this is supposed to go here. Okay, so welcome to Engineering Reforged. Goal for the channel is to fully manufacture and design a hot air Stirling engine that is capable of powering a scooter with me on it. So, I guess easy peasy. So we have a lot to learn, right? First things first is there's an added bit to the challenge here, which is I do not want to have to go out and buy any sort of larger metalworking devices, such as like a metalworking lathe or a milling machine. So I recently made a foundry and a forge. Both respectfully need some upgrades, but they do work. I have been casting a few things with some variable success. Right here, I'll probably be putting up onto the screen a comb that I made for my good buddy Jack. He seemed to really like it. So how this is gonna go, I want to have some fun with this. So since there's so much to learn, I would like to do a few steps beforehand. First thing is properly learning how to cast. So after I learn a few more things about casting, which is going to be very, very important for making these parts. And that's where the forge comes into play. In order to learn proper forging, pulling techniques, I have just chosen to start making knives because I think that's kind of just a cool thing. Also, would just be kind of a cool skill to have. So we're gonna start there, work our way up, and then see what parts we can make along the way. And hopefully eventually we'll end up with this hot air Stirling engine that I completely made and manufactured myself. I mean, easy peasy. So I guess a little bit more about me. I went to school for mechanical engineering. I have a full mechanical engineering degree. I think I can actually pull out the plaque here. One second. Well, there it is. No, let's right there represents about 4.5 years of work. Oh, also, if you're thinking the frame looks extra cool and extra handmade, it's because my dad made that out of Paduke, I believe. It's like a naturally orange wood that is super cool, I guess. And orange is my favorite color, so kind of had to use it, honestly. Oh, also, if you were wondering what a hot air Stirling engine looks like, I'll grab the camera and show you one. Don't worry, I'm a professional. little eventful there, but nothing to be afraid of. So that's what one of those is. I could probably make a video explaining exactly how they work, but basically it is powered by a differential in heat. So there's a hot end, and then there's a cold end, and shuttling air between them creates a vacuum and a pressure cylinder. So that's kind of a little bit about me and what I want to do with the channel. I'll be making some knives here very, very shortly. I'm in the process of making my very first knife, and it's looking okay so far. And soon also I will be probably doing some casting, so maybe I'll be remaking that comb if people want to see it, and see where everything goes. And hopefully by the end of all of this, we're talking maybe a year or two down the line, we'll have a fully functional hot air Stirling engine that can power, I guess, a scooter or a go-kart. Designed, made, and manufactured myself. That'd be pretty cool. What I want to do is be able to point at that thing to anybody walking by. Be like, yeah, I made every single part on that machine myself in my backyard with casting tools and maybe a forge, just propane burners and a bit of insulation. Sounds pretty cool to me. Now, why am I doing this? I mean, simply just because I think I can, and I don't think many others have tried yet. And there's specific reasons why you probably wouldn't want to put it on a scooter. But I'm going to try anyways and have some fun with it. Eventually. Those are just goals for some time in the future. Far in the future, probably. Meanwhile, I'll be forging some knives and hopefully getting them to look pretty cool. Anyways, that's it for me. Thank you much for watching, and check out the videos below. This should just be an introductory video, just to tell you a little bit about me, a little bit about what I'm trying to do here, what my goals are. And yeah, so see you next time.